So, hello everyone. Welcome to the part 3 series of KubePwn, Kubernetes the Red and Blue Team Lab, which is built with the purpose to give the real-time red team attacks, for the red teamers, and the threat hunting scenarios and threat hunting, queries for the blue teamers. So this is what where we have left last time, and I have checked all the logs are currently being parsed. So for this particular lab, we will start, attacking the lab. We know that our application considered like a domain, the local host that is running on port 8080 is like a domain, like a google.com or maybe some other domain, and we have to act it like, we are attacking this particular domain. Okay. So if I'll do ns lookup to my domain, let's suppose localhost, I will only get the address which is the 127.0.0.1, and I'm getting the server as which I'm resolving, and this is the address of that particular server. So we will start exploring the environment using our basic Nmap, which is, we will do the basic Nmap scan -n, and the IP of my particular machine is, if I showcase you of config, is this. Okay, so consider that this IP I have to attack on, or I'll simply use, let's suppose, localhost. Okay, simple as that. So I'll run a simple nmap command, and this has given me. And with nmap command, I have got that my 4 ports are open, and we will start exploring these 4 ports. But meanwhile, I want you to give the threat hunting experience as well. And we all know that nmap is detected, under all the conditions. So if I'll run the nmap search over here, okay, and I'll say run a query, I might or might not got that if somebody is running the nmap command. If I'll run it again, I get these search queries that somebody has run the search queries on the nmap. Okay, so we have to find out what sort of tools that can be detected and what sort of tools cannot be detected. So if we understand the detection mechanism of any organization, how the detections are being there, how the organizations have done the filtering, how we can bypass the filtering, we can definitely start compromising those the environments. For example, one of the red team environments I was being given, that there anything which starts with ST or PN or something, I will get a particular alert. Okay, so they were using some tool called, I think, Vectra or maybe Velocity. I don't remember the name of the tool, but it was supposed to detect anybody is running Nmap and scanning inside the environment. But what about the outside of the environment? So they built the alerts on their machine, on their SIM solution, that anything, if Nmap is scanning with this threshold, if we get at firewall, external firewall, let's suppose the external, the perimeter firewall with the external interface, if anybody under the span of maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, if running the 10,000 port scan or something like that, it will be detected. Okay, so something that was built on. So to some, and this type of things, they do detect a lot of scannings, and it will reveal the attacker's IP address, and they will go and block the IP address. So when we are doing the red team, we make sure that we always go under the hood. So going under the hood, we can use proxy chains. This is not the full proxy chains which I usually want to run it, but we can run full proxy chains using this. And let's run without -- script, and here we go. It has given me that 3 ports are running onto your environment, okay, using proxy chains. And the IP will be changed for sure, because it is going through different set of cycle chains of for chaining the IP addresses. So this will use multiple chainings and all those of stuff. So now we have got the multiple ports open for us. Let's start explore the ports. Let's run. If I'll do proxy chains minus script. Okay. Let's explore what directories that are there in this. So num.nsc. Let me run this against the ports. Just give it a few seconds. It should definitely provide the the open directories and on running ports. Just give it a few seconds. Yep. So on port 80, we got a very interesting directory which is open, which is server status. It means somebody is definitely using an Apache server at the backend, and there is an uploads directory, and with the verbosity mode on for banner, it has successfully got the banner that somebody is running Apache 2.4.64 with Debian. You can go to Google and start exploiting. But I will check. Let's on port 80, I'm getting server status, and boom, I got the the information about the service, where my files will be stored, my directory structure of the Apache. So definitely somebody is running Apache status. We can go and start exploiting this, but our main target is to get into the Kubernetes cluster. But I just wanted to explore, use this so that in a real time environment, these types of things will definitely come. And here we go. I think I forgot to delete all these files. That is why it is there. But usually, if you see in my lab guide, you will not find all this. So let's start exploring more. Let's start exploring port 8080. What is there on port 8080? But Nmap has not returned anything on that. It means there is some custom directories that are being utilized over here. So what I will do, I will use the dir buster for this. Basically dir, and let's use the port 8081 against the password.list file. So just give it a few seconds. So just a few seconds. And here we go. We got certain very interesting actually directory. Actually this I kept it intentionally so that you should know that in real time environments, usually the developers, they do keep certain directories which are hidden, which are actually public, but which are very hidden. You will not get on those on sitemap, or you will not get on certain with certain common URIs or common URIs or common pages, but they do exist. Let's quickly just run it on port 8080 as well. What exactly is there on the port 8080, so that we should know where we have to traverse. So just give it a few seconds and let it run. And here we go. We got the similar directories on port 8080 and port 8081. So there is something suspicious, or the developer is maybe a little bit confused when he was developing this website. So if I give you a hint, not all vulnerabilities you will be able to exploit on one particular port. So there is something which I have kept. Let's start exploring, with RCE. Okay, this video will primarily focus on attacks. So what I will do, I will switch this video to here only, and in the next video, we will start attacking. We will use the different type of attacks, to start exploiting it. I will cut down this video to here only. So in the next video, we will start with different types of attack, so that one video remains for one attack, and using that video, we can go ahead and start exploring it. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will meet it in the next video. Thank you.